Hi guys, once again you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Basic Educators. We have brought a new lesson plan from English class 3rd for you. The first point is learning outcomes. The child is able to understand the poem regarding to health. Now we will write the second topic, that is early to bed. And the next required materials, audio video aids, Diksha app videos. Now go ahead. Now the teacher will write teaching learning process. In the process there are many steps. The first step is in the beginning of teaching, the teacher will talk to children with the following questions. The teacher will use both English and Hindi words and sentences during the discussion, because some children are able to understand English and some will not be able to understand English, so the teacher should speak in English and in Hindi respectively, one by one. The teacher will ask questions on which time do you sleep. Some children will reply and some will not, some wouldn't. And the next question would be, when do you awake? In Hindi we can also ask, आप कब जागते हो, आप कब सोते हो. एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डू यू डू एक्सरसाइजेस, क्या आप एक्सरसाइजेस करते हैं, कसरत करते हैं, व्यायाम करते हैं. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एबव डिस्कशन, टीचर आस्क, डू यू नो सम बेसिक रूल्स ऑफ हेल्दी लाइफ. स्टूडेंट विल रिप्लाई बेस्ड ऑन देयर प्रीवियस नॉलेज एंड एक्सपीरियंसेस. बच्चे अपने पूर्व ज्ञान के आधार पर हमें इंटरेक्ट करेंगे, रिप्लाई देंगे. कुछ बच्चे रिप्लाई दे पाएंगे, कुछ नहीं दे पाएंगे. द टीचर विल से, वी विल अंडरस्टैंड इट इन अ बेटर वे टुडे. आज हम लोग इसे अच्छी तरह से समझ सकेंगे. नाउ वी विल रिसाइट एंड अंडरस्टैंड द पोएम अर्ली टू बेड. एंड द यू कैन सी हियर मेथड ऑफ असेसमेंट, क्वेश्चन आंसर मेथड, डिस्कशन मेथड, बोथ वी विल अप्लाई ऑन दिस lesson plan. The next step is, this poem tells about rules of healthy life. We always follow the rules of healthy life. Now the second step is mid of the period. Now the teacher recites the poem aloud with correct pronunciation, rhythm and accent. All students follow him and recite the poem as well. Teacher will recite the poem with reasonable pause between words and different lines. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. The teacher can sing this song according to himself or herself, just like early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. The teacher will ask the student to recite the poem aloud. While the students are reciting the poem individually, the teacher goes around the class and observe how well students are reciting the poem. He motivates students by patting their back and helps those who are not able to recite correctly. In between, teacher will write the following lines of poem in English on board. शिक्षक इस दौरान बोर्ड पर कविता लिखते रहेंगे. इसके पहले जब बच्चे इस कहानी को पढ़ते रहेंगे, इस कविता को पढ़ते रहेंगे, तब उस समय जो समय बचेगा उसी समय के बीच में टीचर बोर्ड पर इस कविता को लिखेंगे. अर्ली टू बेड एंड अर्ली टू राइज मेक्स अ मैन हेल्दी, वेल्दी एंड वाइज. इसका अर्थ हुआ, इसका अर्थ भी लिखेंगे बोर्ड पर. जल्दी सोना और सुबह जल्दी उठना मनुष्य को स्वस्थ, धनवान और बुद्धिमान बनाता है. बच्चों को अर्थ भी बताएंगे, लिखेंगे, एक एक शब्द बताएंगे, एक एक शब्द की मीनिंग बताएंगे. द टीचर एक्सप्लेन्स द अबव लाइन्स ऑफ पोएम एंड ensures that every child understands it. टीचर इसको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे और ये श्योर हो जाएंगे कि सभी बच्चे इसका अर्थ, इसका मतलब समझ रहे हैं, इसकी व्याख्या को समझ पा रहे हैं. जहाँ जिससे दिक्कत होगी टीचर वहाँ जाएंगे और उसे अलग से समझाएंगे. नाउ टीचर डिवाइडेड स्टूडेंट्स इनटू ग्रुप्स एज पर नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स अवेलेबल. I think these should not be more than 5 students in one group. Each group will read and discuss rules of healthy life given in the poem and write them in the notebook. And the method of assessment will be the same, observation and discussion method. Teacher will ask each group to present rules of healthy life. Teacher will motivate each group during presentation. Teacher will consolidate the discussion by highlighting the following points as basic rules of healthy life. Now the next step would be always make early in the morning and always sleep early in the evening and do exercises daily. The teacher will say these things to the children. Consolidating the teaching. The teacher will assess the learning of students through the following, which he will write on the board. Complete the given spaces by selecting suitable words like early, man, to, and. There is gap between early and bed, the space, and to rise. Rise and makes a dash healthy, wealthy dash wise. The children will write the proper answer, proper word in this gap, in this space. Now the next step, which is the final step, is assignments or homework. All students will write 5 sentences in English on the rules of healthy life, or word meaning also should be given. Some other question also should be given. Now method of assessment would be the checking the assignment work and so on. Now the lesson plan is over. For if you want to get new lesson plan, next lesson plan, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, like, share and comments also. Very thanks to you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.